Today I've got a fun upgrade for this Tesla Model Y, also for Model 3s. This is the BSD Multifunctional Smart Ambient Light. We've got some instructions, harness, and a tool. This is our two-sided tape, a little bit of extra electrical tape, and then our actual smart LEDs. The first thing we're going to need to do as far as preparation is apply our two-sided tape to the back side of our LED strip. You've got this little white side. This is the side that you want facing you. So we're going to be putting our tape on the top side here. There's more than enough tape for this application. So in order to access all of our connectors, we have to pull this trim here, pop this guy back and out of the way. This guy is a little tight. So if you look closely at the clip, you just have to pop the end off and then the whole thing pops out. And then we're going to lift. Try not to hit the dash. And we've got little plastic clips along the way that we have to engage. Pop this guy back so we can get back behind our carpet back here. So what we found on this car is that it has an Intel chip, but it's a late Intel 2021 model year 2020 production. So we're using the AMD harness, not the Intel harness. What we're gonna start with is our OBD plug, and that's the little blue connector around the corner here. So this is the one that's gonna plug in here. You gotta kind of tilt it up just a smidge to get that to lock down in place. And then on this side, here's our power connector, and there's two different power connectors. There's one with 10 pins and one with 8. In my case, I'm using the one with 10 pins, and it says the AMD power plug. So that goes there, and then on the other end of it, we're going to plug our factory connector in there. Now we have one more connector here. That's going to be our little power box. That's the black connector, like that. And then on it, we have the line for our LEDs. So what we want to do is we want to have that accessible over here on the side, ideally like around one of these stock harnesses or the factory harnesses. So here's what we decided to do. A couple of zip ties to tie all this up nice and neat here in the corner. Zip tie our LED harness up here so that it's accessible. Popped our module back here so there's nothing for it to rattle on. It's nice and safe. Now we can pull our cover back over, neatly tuck our wires in, and put our little push pin back in. To get our LED installed, we want to tuck it back here so that it's out of the way. We're going to be popping our fascia trim off, and since we already have this corner up, we can pop this up, and we're just going to gently work our way across the dash. Use our pry tool. There we go. Nice and tight down in the corner. Crossed, like that. Now, be really careful if you have a conventional steering wheel, a round one, because when you're taking this off, it's really easy to catch the top of the steering wheel. Ask me how I know. Gently coming over the top. There are some sharp things underneath here, some of this aluminum and plastic, so you just gotta be aware. Before you try to stick this in there, try to get your little application tape off or the little cover, because it's kind of tough back there. You're going to want to center up left to right on the little corner vents. And then in my case, I'm going to try to stick it back as far as possible so that I get more of the ambient light versus direct light. And this would be a good spot for two people. There's a nice little spot to follow back there of the trim to get everybody lined up. So for our wire, there's a perfect little spot above the vent. We can tuck it back and out of the way so that it's going to be safe from our trim. And then we're going to wrap it around the back here. Okay, now you watch up there as I plug it in, see if we get any light. Whoa, check that out.
Alrighty, it's time to put the ambient lighting system to the test here in my 2021 Tesla Model Y. I'm excited to share how I feel it transformed the driving experience and the look of my interior. The lighting system is beautifully syncing with my HVAC. When I adjust the blower speed, the light strip displays a subtle visual effect that reflects the change. The The same goes for my temperature adjustments. A warm red glow appears when I raise the heat, cool blue for cooling it down. This is understated, yet adds a refined touch to the cabin that should have been there from the factory. The welcome door function is a standout. When I open the door, a flowing green light greets me, adding a welcoming flare. If the door isn't fully closed, a red illumination on the door side serves as a clear reminder, hey man, shut that door. Now, let's talk about that turn signal in the corner. It also has blind spot monitoring, which to me is truly the shine on the road. In a quiet neighborhood, the turn signal integration is neat, but when you're navigating busier streets, the system proves its worth. Another fun feature is the autopilot mode. While I engage autopilot, the light strip comes alive with a vibrant rainbow-like RGB on both ends, signaling that the mode is active. It's a playful touch that adds a bit of flair, but I don't know that it's actually necessary. I also didn't notice anything when I was using FSD, maybe it's only an autopilot feature. Overall, the system is subtle, yet very impactful. The lights are never overpowering, distracting, sitting comfortably in my peripheral vision while adding a modern, sophisticated vibe to the dashboard. The blind spot monitor displays a yellow light on the left or the right side of the dash when a vehicle is there in your blind spot. If you turn on your turn signal while that vehicle is there, the light's going to shift to a bold red, providing an intuitive warning, hey, don't go over there. This feature is a game changer for safety, unlike relying solely on the center screen, which, in my opinion, pulls your eyes off of the road. The subtle yet effective light sits in your peripheral, aligning with the way basically every other car is on the road. For me, I'm accustomed to glancing at my side view mirrors, and this visual cue has been an invaluable asset in driving a bit more confidently and safely. I feel like this upgrade dramatically improves the look, feel, and style of the interior. The blind spot monitor in particular feels like a must-have for safer driving and seamless integration with Tesla's controls, meaning I didn't need any third-party apps or anything like that. Installation was easy, and the results, well, they speak for themselves. This upgrade not only enhances the aesthetic, but also provides practical safety features. If you're looking to elevate your Tesla's interior, I highly recommend giving this one a shot. You won't be disappointed.